Hey guys, so in today's video I am going to be doing a makeup look using my Tati beauty palette. I'm going to first take my e.l.f. Camo Concealer just to prep the eyes, and then I'm taking Matte Story into my transition shade. Then I'm taking Matte Ritual and on a different brush, keeping my eyes open and applying that to the lower crease, if that makes any sense. Hopefully it does. I keep my eyes open just because this gives me a better application, and then I'm just going to go in with the brush that we first used, just kind of blend all those shades together. Then I'm going to go into Metallic in Soothe and just applying that all over my lid. And then just taking the brush again and blending everything together so we don't have any harsh lines. Taking a makeup wipe, and I'm going to clean up any fallout that we have and clean up those lines. Then I'm going to go into my e.l.f. Putty Poreless Primer. I really love this primer because it helps to fill in all those fine lines. And then I decided that I needed to, before I put my foundation on, to put a lip scrub on to just exfoliate those lips a little bit. And then I'm going to go into my L'Oreal True Match foundation. I love this foundation so much. And then I'm going to use a Real Techniques brush first to put it on my face, kind of blend it out a little bit. And I will make sure that I go down the neck with my foundation because this color is a little off. And then taking my sponge with the rest of what's back of my hand and just applying that to my skin. Taking my Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer, and I'm just going to put that under the eyes and blend that out with my sponge. Next, I'm going to take the concealer and going up the bridge of my nose and up into the forehead, and then first blending it on my forehead. And then just going down just the bridge of the nose. We don't want to go anywhere else with this concealer, just down the bridge of the nose. And also we're going to go below the cheekbone. I learned this trick from my sister. It just helps to kind of create a contour line, especially if you're new to that. Just kind of helps create that shadow that we want when we get into contouring. And then just as normal, I'm just going down my nose, going down my cupid's bow, around my nose and on my chin. And then I'm going to go in with some powder using my Coty Airspun powder. I really love this powder. Going underneath the eyes first, and then we're just going to go all over the face with a bigger powder brush. Taking some of my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer and just following that shadow that we created with the concealer, and we're just going to follow that down. You don't want to go too far down, and then just going on your forehead and then down my chin and my jawline. And then we're just going to go down the sides of the nose following that shadow that we created. Then using my NYX HD Finishing Powder in Banana, and I'm just going to quickly set the under eyes and brighten them. And then using my Essence Satin Touch Blush in Satin Coral for my blush. And then just kind of bringing that up towards the temples. It just kind of helps blend out the blush more. And then going in with my e.l.f. Glow Gleam Beam palette, I'm going to use the two shades and just applying that all over my face, on the high points of my cheeks, down my nose, and on my cupid's bow. Then I'm going to go back into Matte Ritual and applying that to the outer third of my lower lash line. And then just taking Matte Soothe and putting that on the next third of my lower lash line and just gonna blend that all together. We're kind of creating a gradient effect by going from darker to lighter, and then going into Sequin in Aurora and going into the next third and blending that in. We're going to go into Metallic in Aurora as well and applying that to the inner corner. I'm next going to take my NYX Epic Ink Liner to line my eyes. And then taking the L'Oreal Unlimited Mascara. Next, I'm going to take my Maybelline Brow Ultra Slim Pencil to just quickly do my eyebrows off camera. Then I'm going to take Sequin in Aurora and applying that to the brow bone. Then taking my L'Oreal lipstick in Glossy Fawn And lastly, just set the face with Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray and flip the hair. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this look. Give it a thumbs up and comment down below. And I love you guys, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.